Hello, Christian here. In this video, I will show you how to replace a screen from a 2017 MacBook Pro. Alright, first we need to take off the back of the computer. This is one of the hardest parts to do, but eventually it came off. Okay, now we need to disconnect a lot of things. First, we need to disconnect the battery, and then we also need to make sure that the hinges are uncovered, and also remove all the display connectors. There are a lot of screws to unscrew, and these are really tiny, so I recommend having a special MacBook repair kit, which I am using right here. So after unscrewing all the screws, we can remove the bar as well as the connectors for the display. So now it is loose, and we can go ahead and unscrew the hinges. So that's removed, and here's the new screen. So let's unwrap it and now put it back and put the hinges back. So now basically we reinstall everything in reverse. So I put back the connector, I screw everything in, and it's a little bit tedious, but it is not that bad. Overall, it took me just about 2 hours to do this. So now I put everything back, all the screws are back, and I cleaned up the dust a little bit. So we also have to remember to connect the display connector, which I'm doing right now, and then finally we need to reconnect the battery data cable. Before putting on the bottom cover, we need to test that it actually boots up. There you go, there's the Apple logo, and there's a login screen. So that seems to be all working. So now we can put the bottom cover on. So I'm using the 6 Torx screws that came with it. And now I'll put the case protector back on the bottom. And I'm removing the protective film that came with the screen. And I'll put the protective case cover on top. There you go. Okay, this is the last step. We're just going to remove this plastic protective cover. There you go. A brand new screen on this MacBook Pro. All done.